Good morning, Facebook. Happy Tuesday to you. Hopefully, you had a great Monday. Ours was extremely quick. Some days, I don't know if it's just us or if it's everybody, but some days seem to just fly. Like you don't have enough time to do anything. We had quite a bunch of projects set up to do, and it just like we flew right through them. We had a whole bunch of stuff to do at the shop, and we didn't get all of it done because of just how fast time flew. So hopefully you have Mondays that run the same way. That was a flash of a Monday, which is okay. It's good to have those go by fast, especially if they're not running good, right? So today, cleaning for the future. What does that mean? We're going to go into it. We'll talk to you a little briefly about that. First of all, if you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type replay. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. Click on the little red button to us and subscribe. We'll do updates as much as we can. We are going to go through a new process of getting our website revamped with the new logo. That's right, the new look of Aspen Mountain Plumbing. We're getting our website revamped. We're going to probably be starting the process of that this next week, and it's probably going to be a month before we have it completely done. A month to 6 weeks. I mean, it's going to take a lot. We've hired a company to help us with it. So we're in the process of rebranding. We are gung-ho on getting it done. I just ordered uniforms yesterday, so hopefully within the next 3 to 4 weeks we'll be seeing those. So it's been a busy couple months for us, but we are enjoying life. I do want to show you our new wrapped truck. It's something we're excited about.